Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick reminder for all my viewers watching, and that is, guys, if you guys have not joined the Telegram group chat, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join, link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. Now let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are currently sitting at $1.72 trillion. We're down 1.5% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 44%. Just to keep in mind, CoinGecko is a little behind on BTC dominance, but as of now, recording this video, right now, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 45.97%. But going back to this video, if we're looking at the overall markets, guys, in the last 1 hour, we are seeing some mild green across the board. Altcoins are still not outpacing Bitcoin, mainly due to the fact that BTC dominance is rising very, very sharply, meaning more interest is coming in Bitcoin right now, which we will get into later in this video. But today, guys, I want to focus more on a Polygon Matic. All right. So my Polygon Matic family, if you are looking at Matic's price right now, we are currently trading at $1.62. We are down 3.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 4.1% in BTC and 1.1% in Ethereum comparative in just the last 24 hours. Current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at that top 16 spot. Market cap right now is $10.16 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $2.23 billion. So that is not looking bad at all. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, I always like showing you guys this, because this gives us a better picture as to what exactly is going on. In just the last year alone, let's not forget, Polygon Matic is still up 7,800%, guys, and it is by far one of the top performing crypto assets in the last year alone and this bull cycle. So let's not forget, yes, we are seeing some consolidation occur, but we're still up 7,800%. So please remember that when we are looking at the charts. So looking at the charts, as you guys can see, we had a beautiful bounce back towards the upside for Matic Network. I'm sorry, I know it's not called Matic Network anymore. It's more Polygon. I have been a day one Matic follower, so it's still Matic Network for me. But it has come a long way. If you guys know me on my channel, you guys know I have been covering this project. I have been knowing about this project since it was listed on the Binance IEO back in 2019. And boy, has it come far. But now if we are bringing out the measuring tool, that's the first thing I want to look at for you guys. If we do measure it from the all-time highs to its current price level, we're only down 40%, guys. And this project it keeps on surprising me day by day by day. Like, it has one of the fastest recoveries out of all the altcoins out there. The only project that comes close, in my personal opinion, is Cardano at recovery. You guys can see we had this initial drop almost a month ago, and we saw Matic have a massive recovery towards the upside, and since then we have been just trading sideways for quite a while. We did come down to the 68.1 Fibonacci retracement level, but this level of support did really play out for us around this $1.20 mark. But since then, guys, let's bring out this measuring tool. So just 3-4 days ago, since then we have been up 36.13%, guys. Very nice, and this project is looking ready to be heading towards its all-time highs in the near future. And as I have mentioned earlier in this video, we are seeing BTC dominance skyrocketing right now, meaning altcoins, if you are a regular viewer on my channel, you guys have heard me say this, we are seeing altcoins not outpacing Bitcoin right now, even though we are seeing some nice momentum building up for the entire crypto space, but BTC dominance is rising. If you don't know what that means that as the percentage of BTC dominance goes up, that means more money is flowing into Bitcoin rather than the altcoin market. So as this number gets bigger, guys, the altcoin market goes down towards the downside, especially in Bitcoin comparative. USD comparative, it'll still trade sideways or even go towards the downside, but BTC comparative, it does go down quite significantly. And this does put a pause on altcoin season. And yes, there are a few altcoins right now. I know some people are going to come and correct me. There are a few handful altcoins that are outperforming Bitcoin right now. But if we're looking at the majority of the altcoins, there are only a handful that are outperforming, and a majority of them are, lagging behind Bitcoin. That was not the case just a couple of days ago. We were seeing, when BTC dominance was around these levels, we were seeing, around this level, around this 41%, we were seeing altcoins outpace Bitcoin when Bitcoin saw an upwards trend. But right now, that's not the case. But Bitcoin is holding very, very strong. So, let's briefly go over Bitcoin's price, and then we will go look at Matic and conclude over there. As you guys can see, if we have closed above 40K second day in a row. Very, very bullish. I love seeing this happen, and this is a beautiful confirmation that yes, we are headed towards the upside, especially this level of support at this $46,600 mark that I have been saying for quite a while now. We had quite a bit of accumulation zone occur around here, but as of now, everything is looking good. You guys know I have been stressing this 40K level for quite a while, and look, we're sitting right above it. This is how crucial this level is for Bitcoin. We do not want to fall below 40K. If we do, $38,200 should be the next support. If we bounce below it, then I want us to stay above $36,200 mark, because that is a crucial level of support for Bitcoin, as you guys may know. But so far, we are looking more on the bullish sign rather than the bearish sign. But let's always be prepared, because these markets can be manipulated. We could hear some unpredictable news come out, such as some big influencer or a big figure around the world come and tweet about Bitcoin or talk about Bitcoin in a negative way, which could obviously cause the price for Bitcoin to fall towards the downside for the immediate short term. So we always have to keep that in mind when we are looking at the Bitcoin price. Going back to Matic, guys, this project, as I have mentioned, is ready to rumble, head towards its all-time highs. And one thing I want to point out for you guys is Matic is holding quite well despite this BTC dominance going up towards the upside. Yes, it is not outpacing Bitcoin right now, but compared to majority of the altcoins around the markets, we are holding quite well, and that is a bullish indicator on its own. Imagine if BTC dominance was still chilling around this level, around this 40% mark. I would not have been surprised if we went back up to this level. Yes, I would not have been surprised, and I am still, targeting this price, especially this 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level around this $2.13 mark. That is still my target, but this might be, this might take us time to get there, but we need more buying pressure to kick in, and also BTC dominance to at least fall down to 43 to 42% for that to happen very, very fast. And obviously, we need Bitcoin to hover around its current prices. But, so far, so good. If we do bring out the measuring tool right now for you guys, from the current prices to this 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, that is a 31.89% move towards the upside. Definitely a possibility, but as I have mentioned, the factors that we need to keep in mind. So we need to pay very close attention to that for us to get to these levels. But obviously, BTC dominance is going to fall around some time. We just don't know when. But when that happens, I would not be surprised if Matic hits all-time highs very, very fast. But again, we have to be prepared. We have to keep in consideration that Bitcoin has to hover around its current price levels. If it goes towards the downside, then everything will be invalidated for the immediate short term. But at the end of the day, guys, I want to always remind my viewers that patience is very much needed in this market, guys. Very much needed. One thing I want to point out to you guys is that, I was reading comments just a couple days ago about my old Matic videos, just a couple days back. There were some comments stating that, oh my god, Matic is not moving at all. What is going on? This project is boring. Guys, how could you call Matic boring? Let's not forget this project is up 7,800% in just the last 1 year alone. This is absolutely mind-blowing. You will not get rich overnight. I always say that. This is why patience is very much needed in this market, and you have to do your due diligence and invest only what you can afford to lose, because at the end of the day, you can lose all your money as well, because at the end of the day, this is cryptocurrencies. As much as high as fast as you can make profits in this market, that's as fast as you can lose it. That's why it's always important to have some sort of exit strategy in place so you can lock in profits when we are seeing a lot of profits in place. And you do not want to get greedy. And you guys know that. I always tell you guys that, and I will always keep telling you guys that, because I want my viewers to maximize their profit gains in this market, because at the end of the day, yes, we are here to make money, and you do not want to see your hard-earned profits going away in a matter of weeks. So so far everything is looking good for a Matic network. I'm a huge believer in this project. I believe it is here to stay. It's solving one of the biggest problems right now in crypto, and that is Ethereum's scalability issue. And it's only going to go towards the upside, in my opinion, because we have a lot of hype at the end of the day as well. Obviously, we cannot predict the top for a Matic network, but that's why it's important to have an exit strategy in place. I still believe there's a very high chance for it to go towards the upside, see new all-time highs. I could possibly see go up $3 or even more if we were to see the magnitude of a bull run that we did see back in 2017 fall. If we were to see that kind of bull run, guys, I would not be surprised Matic, pulling crazy numbers. But again, that is only if that happens. But everything is looking very nice. We are seeing a lot of institutional interest coming in Matic, and along with retail interest. Mark Cuban is backing it. That is huge on its own. Everything is there for it to succeed. Patience is very much needed, so let's not forget that, guys. Obviously, the bearish scenario before I end this video would be if we break below this level of support, which is highly likely if we go below the $36,600 mark. I'm sorry, $36,200 mark. Very likely we break below this 0.50, get back into the 78.6. But I would like for us to be stopped around here at this $1.20 mark if we do see a quite significant drop in cryptocurrency markets. But if we go below it, then yes, there's definitely a possibility to get back into this range, which obviously no one wants to see, but we have to keep this in mind. But right now, we are looking at more of the bullish scenario rather than the bearish scenario. So far, so good. I want to look at the staking rewards as well, stakingrewards.com. You guys can see, where's Polygon at? There we go. Polygon. I'm sorry, yeah. Top 16 most staked assets, and only 22.8% of the total circulation supply is staked right now. Not a lot of people know how to stake Matic. And yes, guys, I have been reading the comments. I will try my best to make an tutorial video for you guys as to how to stake a Matic. I'll show you guys all the possible ways you guys can do that. If you're in it for the long haul and you're not here for the short-term gains, you just want to stake and earn your passive income because you do see the long-term vision, then yes, staking would be your best bet. And a lot of people are doing that. And as this number grows, guys, as this number goes, the more bullish I get for Matic. And right now we're only sitting at 22.8%, and I definitely believe we are going to increase in total staked value as time goes by. But with that being said, I think I'm going to wrap up today's update for Matic around here. Please, guys, do not forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe. This does help my channel a lot. So please, guys, it takes a couple of seconds. It does help my video get to a wider audience, so your support would be greatly appreciated. And thank you for all my regular viewers and anyone watching that took out your time to watch my video. I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart once again. And remember, I do this for you guys. And please do not forget to stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family is the most important thing, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.